everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about the Pareto chart, how to go ahead and make a Pareto chart in Excel. So, we are going to use Excel to make a Pareto chart today. So, let's start off. So, starting off with the basic definition of a Pareto. So, Pareto, as we all know, works on a 80-20 rule, right? Which says 80% of the events are caused by 20% of the causes. Yeah, 80% of the sales of a business come from 20% of the customers, right? So this is what the Pareto chart talks about. Now, if we talk about how to make it in Excel, so here's the data set that we have. Uh, Taking error categories here, right? Or maybe the person for the sales, right? So for example, C made two sales, A 12, so and so forth. In the BPO environment, I'll say that C is a error category, A is a error category. So we have two errors in C, 12 errors in A, and so on so forth. So to go ahead and make a Pareto, first let's go ahead and sort this data. Okay, so sorting this data is important. So we need to go ahead and sort it from the largest to the smallest. Okay, then after that, we will go ahead and put a formula for cumulative sum. अब cumulative sum क्या होता है is equal to this, पहला वाला ऐसे ही रहेगा, दूसरा वाला is equal to this plus जो ऊपर वाली एंट्री. Then we are going to go ahead and drag this formula, and the fourth column will be of a cumulative percentage. अब वो क्या है is equal to 76, that's C20 H25 divided by H33, क्योंकि हमें बार बार इसको H33 से ही डिवाइड करना है. So let's go ahead and freeze H33 by putting the, and then we go ahead and drag it. To check if the formula that we have applied is correct, we can go ahead and see that the percentage that comes here at the bottom of it should be 100%, right? Then we go ahead and select these two columns, and then this column. Go to insert, go to recommended charts. Recommended charts में सबसे पहला ही आपका Pareto आएगा. So this is a Pareto that we are looking at. I'll just put it in the center here. Here we go. And if you see कि हम error categories पे वो लगा लेते हैं plus data labels. 60% पे कहाँ तक आ रहा है? यहाँ तक आ रहा है, right? So, so right. So this is how we go ahead and create a Pareto chart in Excel. If you have any questions, please comment below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead.